Hi everyone, I'm Megan and welcome to this week's video. This video is throwing it back to the OG YouTube videos with my everyday makeup tutorial. Now mind you, I am not doing this every single day while I am in self-isolation, but it is my routine that I've been using for quite a while pre-isolation, and I'll probably be using post-isolation. I include my skincare routine and my everyday makeup routine. And I hope you guys enjoy. It's a fun video to film. It really brings me back to my youth and my old YouTube videos. And I just hope that this is something different on your feed right now during these trying times. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go. Let's get into the video. First, I'm gonna go in with my Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum from Trader Joe's. Absolutely love this, very affordable. It's very easy on the skin. And just to note, I have really dry skin, so I put a lot of moisturizer and serum on my face, and I wouldn't recommend doing that if you have oily skin or combination skin. It's simply just because I don't have acne prone. It's just really, really dry. So I put the Hyaluronic Moisture Boost from Trader Joe's all over my skin, and it gives it a very almost sticky consistency. And I like to think that that kind of sets a good base for anything on top of it to either absorb or stay on my skin. So I then go in with my antioxidant facial serum from Trader Joe's. This is way more silky and smooth as opposed to this serum, which, like I said, is a little bit more, I hate to use the word sticky, but that's the best way to describe it. And again, all of these products are super affordable and very light on the skin, which I love. And I press this one into my face. I absolutely love using the Trader Joe's brand products. I use their face products, their bath and body products. I use their shaving cream in the shower, their shampoo and conditioner most times. And I just absolutely love the products. They're super affordable and they're very light on the skin and very moisturizing. I also use their body butters and lotions. I just think they're great, and you can get them all while you're going grocery shopping already. Absolutely love Trader Joe's, big proponent, and as much as I wish that this video was sponsored, it's not, even though it may seem that way. So I then go in actually with my Derma E Age Defying Eye Cream. I love the Derma E brand because they're eco-ethical, meaning that they're vegan, cruelty-free, recyclable packages, they're soy-free and gluten-free. All around an amazing company, and I've really made an effort in the past few years with changing up my diet because I'm now pescatarian and lactose intolerant, so I can only eat a limited amount of things. And I've also done the same with my skincare and beauty products. I think it's important to support those companies and those products that are really good for you and the earth. So with the eye cream, I just go in very lightly, and I try not to rub because that skin under your eye is so sensitive and gentle, so I just kind of press it in. I then go in, no surprise here, with my Trader Joe's oil-free antioxidant facial moisturizer. Love this one, been using this one for as long as I can remember, and it is the best thing that has worked on my skin. I used to use the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer, and I loved it, but it was way more expensive than the Trader Joe's brand, obviously. And to be honest, it seems fairly similar to me, just in the way that it works and the way that it feels. So that was my skincare routine. And now to start with makeup, I begin with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've been using this one for years, and I actually got a little sample of it, so I've been using that one. But I absolutely love it. It's really great if you're gonna be taking photos with flash photography. And it's really good for smoothing and blurring any pores that you may have that are visible. And I just put that on my skin and press it in like I do with most of my skincare. So the foundation that I use is the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so great and really matches my skin tone very well. I have two different colors of it. I have this color, which is 8D01, and this color, which is 8G04. It's just a little bit lighter. And then I actually put it directly on my skin, very lightly. And I really don't use that much. A pro tip is I actually don't put the foundation under my eyes where I would put my concealer, because I found that that is what makes it very cakey. And sometimes I even apply the concealer first to make sure that I really don't touch that area with foundation, because I just do not want to have caked on makeup. So I also use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer. Absolutely love. I'm in the shade 185. And I just put a little bit on my under eyes. And then I go in actually with the foundation brush and I pat that into my under eyes. And you want to be really careful not to pull the skin under your eyes, because it's so gentle and sensitive, and that's how you can get wrinkles. My mom always taught me that. Then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, which we all have and love and have been using for years from what I can tell. I just take a little round brush and gently put very little on my skin just to set the makeup. And then I feel like this is sponsored by Trader Joe's and Fenty Beauty, but it's really not. I go in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick. I used to love the Benefit Hoola bronzer contour stick. It was my everything. I used it every single day for so many years, but they discontinued it and stopped making it, which is very upsetting because I was a big fan of that contour stick. But this one is great too. I found that you have to use it quite a few times though to get it to the creamy consistency. At first, it's just a little too dry for me, for my skin. I'm in the shade Suede, and this is a matchstick. And then I take my little tapered face brush and I gently take my brush in circles right under my cheekbone. I have a relatively small face, so I have to be careful about spreading my blush and bronzer and contour too much. I have to make it very precise on my face. And these are all things that I've literally just learned from growing up and seeing pictures of myself when I was younger, first starting off with makeup. And I really just put a little bit in my hairline just to create a natural sun-kissed glow. So something I recently learned, a la my best friend Paloma, is that if you're doing contour, meaning that you're trying to make defined lines and kind of create more shape with your face, then you want to use a gray-based, at least for my skin tone, you want to use a gray-based contour powder. So if you can tell that this is a little bit more gray than an actual bronzer would be, because a bronzer is really just trying to create more color on your skin and give you kind of a sun-kissed glow, and contour is slightly different. See, I'm constantly learning. But I'm actually going to go into the same brush and lightly tap it onto the contour powder and put that exactly where I had my contour stick. And I use the NARS Orgasm shade, Super Orgasm. Really pretty color. And I just do this lightly just to add some color to my face. And then for just some really light highlight, I go in with my Huda Beauty palette. And this is an entire highlight palette. And I just go in with this really light shimmer and lightly dust that on my cheekbones. I'm gonna do my brows really quickly. I'll speed that up for you. And I use the Anastasia actual brow pencil. I love this. I'm in the shade Taupe. And I also use their clear brow gel. This is great. It's also by Anastasia. Okay, brows are finished, and now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I use the Chanel Primer Mascara first. It's unbelievable. It's absolutely changed my lashes. You can use this at nighttime as a little mask and fall asleep with it on, or you can use it as a base primer before your mascara, which is the way that I use it. It really makes a difference. And then I go in with my favorite mascara for as long as I can remember. It's the Chanel Le Volume. And this is actually the Le Volume Revolution. It's brand new. It has a 3D printed wand, which is so cool. And it's actually in a maroon purple color, if you can tell, which on my skin tone makes it a lot lighter when I do my makeup. I usually do browns, but I just love this maroon color. And they actually stopped making it for a few years and now it's back, which is so exciting. So I use my Shiseido lash curler, and then I'm gonna go in with these two and I'll speed that up as well. So that's my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. And let me know if you've tried any of these products, like any of these products, have any recommendations of your own, because I'd love to try some more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're on Instagram, follow my Instagram. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated, and I love connecting with you guys. So until next week's video, I hope you have a great rest of your week. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I hope that you are finding a little bit of sunshine through this hard time that we're all going through. And if this was a little bit of sunshine for you, that is amazing. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.